Hello guys, welcome to our channel Namma 2k20 kitchen. Today we'll see how to make Aloo Gobi fry. Let's see the ingredients. 1 bowl of cauliflower. Take 3 medium-sized potatoes. Boil and slice them. 2 cups of finely chopped onions. Freshly chopped garlic and ginger. Make them into garlic ginger paste. 3 large green chilli. Chop them finely into pieces. 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves chopped. 2 tablespoons of mint leaves chopped. Now let's begin. Chop cauliflower florets to 1.5 inch in size. Add them to a slightly hot water and set aside for 3 to 4 minutes. Now, drain the water and rinse them well. Drain them completely. Let's see the preparation. Heat the oil in tawa and add cumin, green chilli, half a tablespoon of turmeric, ginger garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala. Saute them for 30 seconds. Then add some onions and stir fry until transparent. Once after the onion is a little bit cooked, let's test it. And after that, add cauliflower and stir fry until it's tender and softly cooked. Add 1 tablespoon or half a tablespoon of salt and stir the ingredients well. Now let's add some mint leaves and continue to cook covered on a medium flame until the cauliflower is soft and fully cooked. Now after 3 minutes of cooking, let's check if the cauliflower is cooked. Now add the boiled potatoes and give it a good mix all together. And let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Since the potato is already boiled, it doesn't need much of the frying. And now, here we go guys. Our Aloo Gobi recipe is done. Let's turn off the stove. And finally, garnish Aloo Gobi with coriander leaves. If you are new to Indian cooking, this is really one of the easiest things that you can make. This is the most popular dish in any North Indian household. This dish is best served with rice or roti. Thanks for watching my video guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye for now.